sure the volume's up. Well, we have made out with the same person before, so I'm gonna...
Next question.
Ooh, it's cold! Okay, it hasn't been fulfilled. Just kidding. Alright, dude, you ready to get naked? Oh, I need to dump you with ice.
We're over there in the cold, dude.
You gotta run into the freaking cold, dude.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, okay. Already. Have you ever...
What?
Honest?
So that everyone's gonna be like, oh, Jake, you
remember this?
Because he probably does not remember this whatsoever. Somebody came up behind me and grabbed my shoulder. He was kind of like not moving me out of the way. He was kind of just being like, yo, excuse me. No, it wasn't like a mean thing at all. But when he did that, I thought it was like either you or Brandon or something like that. And so I went, wow! And he was like, yo, you all right, bro? And I was like, yeah. Dude, I'm cool, man. Dude, if I release that private information, the other person might get a little pissed off. My boxers have snowmen on them. Dude, that is actually Cheryl.
So I was like,
Ooh.
Oh God, I think I saw something I didn't want to see.
I'm facing away, it's just my butt cheeks, dude. I am naked and afraid.
Oh,